Hi friends, in this session I'm going to explain about MaxX function in Power BI DAX. This is one of the important DAX function in Power BI reporting. If you are watching first time my video, please subscribe and like my channel and also share with your friends. Why? Because in this channel I am providing complete training of Power BI from beginning level to advanced level and also interview questions, real-time project explanation with scenario based monthly updates, much more updated in this channel. So if you follow my classes from class 1, you will definitely will get the job and also easy to survive in real-time environment. In this video, we'll deep dive about MaxX function in Power BI DAX. Before going to implementation, let me explain what is MaxX function in Power BI DAX and what is the syntax of MaxX function and what are the examples provided by Microsoft Power BI team. Let me go to my browser to understand MaxX in Power BI. Let me open official page of Power BI DAX. MaxX function is nothing but evaluates an expression for each row of a table and return the largest value. So wherever x like sumx, minx, maxx, syntax is same. Okay, table comma expression. Parameters is nothing but whatever we passing here. Okay, table, the table containing the rows for which the expression will be evaluated, and expression, the expression to be evaluated for each row of the table. Return value, the largest value. Remarks, the table argument to the max function can be a table name or an expression that evaluates to a table. The second argument indicates the expression to be evaluated for each row of the table. Of the values to evaluate, only the following are counted. That means MaxX will work for the numbers, text, dates. Blank values are scripted. True false values are not supported. If you want to work with the true false values, you need to go for MaxA function. This function is not supported for use in direct query mode when used in calculated columns or row level security rules. Example 1. The following formula uses an expression as the second argument to calculate the total amount of taxes and shipping for each order in the table internet sales. The expected result is 375.7184. In simple words, they are finding maximum value by doing tax amount plus freight amount. In second example, they applied filters. The following formula first filters the table internet sales by using filter expression to return a subset of order for a specific sales reason defined as sales territory key is equal to 5. The MaxX function then evaluates the expression used the second argument for each row of the filtered table and return the highest amount from taxes and shipping for just these orders. The expected result is 250.3724. Okay, here what they do is tax amount plus freight amount, and they are filtering only sales territory key equal to 5 maximum amount they want. Okay, don't worry, I will explain in better way. Okay, let me go to my Power BI desktop. First of all, let me explain this scenario with a simple data set, then we'll go for fact internet sales. Okay, Power BI classes. So I'm taking employee data set is fine for me. Don't worry, it won't take much time to load. I'm taking employee table. Let me click on load. Okay, my table is loaded into the Power BI desktop in memory. Now go to data view. So maxx function will work for numbers, text and dates. First I want to go for numbers. The maximum salary from the salary. Take new column. Max salary equal to maxx. Syntax is very simple. Table name. Table name is employee, comma expression. Salary. So 3000 is the maximum salary from the salary column. That's the reason why it returns. Okay, that means maxx function will work for numbers. Now I want to go for the text. Now I want to check the text. Right click, new column, max text equal to maxx. Table name is employee, comma whatever the column you want to apply. I want to apply for the job column. Just enter. Here I did not apply any filter here. Okay, salesman is the largest value from this column. That's the reason why it returns. Now I want to go for dates. Higher date having the dates. I want to find the maximum date from this column. Okay, right click, new column, max date equal to maxx. Table name is employee, comma hide date. I want to find the maximum date or latest date from this column. Just enter. It will return date plus time format. Okay, 23/6/2000 is the latest date from this column. That's the reason why it returns. Now it works for numbers, text, dates. Now I want to go for this example. So if you want to work with this example, then we need to take data from the Adventure DataWorks. I'm connecting to my SQL server. This is my SQL server name. If anybody watching first time a video, please check class number 3 and 4. Why? Because in class number 3 and 4 I clearly explain how to download and install AdventureWorks and Northwind databases. In this example I am using Adventure DataWorks. So I want to take only fact internet sales. One table is enough to show this example. That's the reason why I am taking. Okay, now first example. So they done tax amount plus freight amount, then they want maximum amount. Okay, they want to combine two columns, not one column this time. Now right click, new measure, max amount equal to maxx. Table name is fact internet sales, comma what is your expression? My expression is tax amount. Let me check tax is there or not. Yes, tax amount is there, plus and freight. Both I want to combine. I want maximum. Enter it. Now drag to report view. To display number, change as code. This is the maximum amount. Now, so I want to apply filter. That means I don't want maximum amount when tax amount plus freight amount. I want particular sales territory code equal to 5. Okay, then we need to apply the filter. If you want to filter anything, then you need to write filter function. Very simple. New measure. Equal to maxx filter. My table name is fact internet sales, comma, what is your filter? My filter sales territory key equal to 5. Then only I want maximum amount. Okay, then tax plus freight. Enter it. Let me drag to report view. Let me convert to card to display the number. 250.3274. Okay. Second example and the first example 375.7184. Correct. So in this way we can apply the filters by using maxx function. If anybody wants special training, you can directly contact to this email ID, or you can directly call to this mobile number. My WhatsApp number also same number. Thank you for watching my video.